336 miles downstream and back. The trip downstream took 12 hours. The trip back took 14 hours. What is the speed of the boat in still water? What is the speed of the current? So to solve this problem, I should first set up a chart based on the formula rate times time equals distance. It's a very popular formula in algebra. Then on the left, I wrote our two trips, downstream and upstream. If we use the variable b to represent the speed of the boat, and c to represent the speed of the current, then our rate downstream is going to be b plus c, and our rate upstream is going to be b minus c. So remember that the current, it works with you when you're going downstream, it works against you when you're going upstream. Our time for our downstream trip is 12 hours, so we're going to put a 12 right here. And the time for our upstream trip is 14 hours, so we're going to put a 14 here. Based on our formula, we're going to multiply the two columns together, so b plus c times 12, or 12 times b plus c, and b minus c times 14, or 14 times parentheses b minus c. And notice that I did not distribute the 12 and the 14 through the parentheses. This is because it's helpful to not do it, because in our next step we're going to be if we did distribute, we're just going to have to distribute it back out. So there's no reason to distribute it back out. So since we know the actual distance that we traveled downstream and upstream is 336 miles, we can set both of these distances equal to 336. So we can set 12 times parentheses b plus c equals 336, and 14 times parentheses b minus c equals 336. Solving from here, I would go ahead and divide both sides of the top equation by 12, and then divide both sides of the bottom equation by 14. You could distribute it if you'd like. It is more work. So in the top equation, we get b plus c equals 336 divided by 12. I'm just going to do that quick. 336 divided by 12, that gives me 28. And then we have b minus c. b minus c equals 336 divided by 14. It should be around 24. So now our system of equations is set up in a familiar way, and we can solve it by addition. And notice that one of our variables already canceled out when we add the equations together. The c's cancel, and we have 2b equals 28 plus 24 is 38, 48, 52. Now just divide both sides of the equation by 2. We have b equals 26. So now that we know that b equals 26, we're asked what is the speed of the current. So we know that the boat speed is 26 miles per hour. Let's just write this over here, 26 miles per hour. The speed of the current, to find that, we just plug a 26 back in for b. And that will give us 26 plus c equals 28. And you should easily be able to find that c equals 2. So the speed of the current is 2 miles per hour. So we have our two answers to the problem. 26 miles per hour is the boat speed, and then the current speed is 2 miles per hour.